So in this video, you'll learn how to enable Save Screenshots to Clipboard on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app and then scroll and select General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, then look for Save Screenshot to Clipboard and tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on. Once it's been enabled, you can now just take a regular screenshot like this. Then once you've taken the screenshot, it will be automatically saved to your clipboard. So if you go ahead and open an email or a note on your phone, and then when you bring up the keyboard, at the very top, you should see your screenshot. So all you need to do is just tap on paste, and the screenshot will be pasted onto your document or onto your email. And so that's how you can enable and save screenshots to clipboard on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.